With the constant stream of new releases and must-have features, it's easy to get swept up in the endless upgrade cycle. Buy the latest model, enjoy it for a year or two, and then move on to the next big thing. But that cycle comes with hidden costs, not just to your wallet, but also to the environment. E-waste is piling up at an alarming rate, and the carbon footprint of smartphone production is far from sustainable. So let's flip the script. Instead of chasing trends, let's find out which phone in 2025 is built to truly stand the test of time. Which one can survive the drops, handle the workload, and go days or even a week without needing a charge? That's what we're here to find out. Why longevity matters more than ever. In a world driven by fast fashion, fast food, and yes, fast tech, it's more important than ever to prioritize sustainability and durability. Think about the number of smartphones you've owned in the past decade. Now think about where those old devices ended up. If you're like most people, some are sitting in a drawer while others may have been tossed out altogether. Smartphones require rare earth materials that are difficult and often unethical to extract. Manufacturing them requires significant energy, and their disposal is a growing problem. A phone that lasts 5 years instead of 2 could dramatically reduce its environmental impact. So what makes a smartphone durable and long-lasting in 2025? Let's break it down. 1. Battery life. A longer-lasting battery isn't just a convenience, it's a necessity. Nobody wants to be tethered to a charger all day. But in 2025, we're seeing major improvements thanks to new battery technologies like graphene-enhanced cells and AI-powered battery management systems. These allow some phones to go 5, 6, even 7 days on a single charge with moderate use. Some models even include solar charging capabilities or ultra-fast wireless top-ups. 2. Build quality durability starts with the hardware. In 2025, phones built with aerospace-grade aluminum, ceramic backs, and scratch-resistant sapphire crystal displays are setting new standards for toughness. These aren't just pretty marketing terms. These materials make a real difference in drop tests and long-term wear. Many phones now include IP69 water and dust resistance, and a growing number are built with shock absorption designs. 3. Software longevity. A phone is only as good as its software. No matter how powerful the hardware is, outdated software can leave a device vulnerable and sluggish. In 2025, the best phones come with a minimum of 5 years of guaranteed updates, while some offer up to 7. These regular patches ensure your phone remains secure, responsive, and compatible with new apps and features. 4. Modularity and repairability. Another big trend in 2025 is modularity. Devices like the Fairphone Ultra and Google's Project Revive are designed with replaceable parts, allowing users to swap out batteries, cameras, and even processors without needing to replace the entire phone. Combined with better access to parts and detailed repair guides, these phones promote sustainability by extending usability far beyond the industry norm. Putting phones to the test, so which phones actually live up to the hype? Over the past few months, we've been testing a range of devices from different price points and manufacturers. Our criteria included battery endurance, resistance to damage, ease of repair, software support, and user feedback. Here are the top contenders. 1. Titan Extreme by Oukatel Battery 20000 mAh, lithium silicon packed screen, 6.8 inches Gorilla Glass. Victus. 2 features, military-grade durability, IP69K waterproofing, solar trickle charge, backplate performance, outstanding endurance, up to 10 days in standby, decent mid-range chipset. This rugged beast is built for extreme conditions. It's heavy, yes, but that's the trade-off for its massive battery and virtually indestructible frame. Perfect for travelers and outdoor professionals. 2. Fairphone Ultra Battery, 5000 mAh easily replaceable unit screen, OLED, modular components, features, 8-year update policy, ethically sourced materials, tool-free repairs, performance, surprisingly fluid thanks to clean software and optimized hardware. Fairphone has upped its game in 2025, and the Ultra version is not just for the ethically minded, it's a genuinely great phone that just so happens to be built to last. 3. Samsung Galaxy Maxenger S25. Battery 6200 mAh graphene hybrid screen, 6.9 inches dynamic. AMOLED, 2X features, premium flagship IP68 rating, 1 UI with 7 years of updates, performance, flagship specs, AI-enhanced performance tuning. Samsung's Maxenger line emphasizes longevity. The software updates, power management, and durable materials make it a top choice for long-term users. 4. Apple iPhone 17, Pro Eco Edition battery. 4, 800 mAh LFP cell screen, ceramic shield 2. Features: recycled titanium frame, 6-year iOS updates, user-replaceable back glass performance, a 17X chip optimized for battery efficiency. Apple's most sustainable iPhone, yet brings a more repairable design without compromising on performance or build quality. And the winner is, after extensive testing, the Titan Extreme by Alcatel comes out on top for pure longevity. Its combination of massive battery, ultra-rugged design, and solar charging gives it unmatched staying power. It's not the sleekest phone on the list, but if endurance is what you're after, this is the phone to beat. But for those looking for a balance of longevity, ethical design, and modern usability, the Fairphone Ultra earns our highest recommendation. It hits the sweet spot between sustainability, performance, and affordability, making it the true all-rounder. Closing thoughts in. A market dominated by shiny specs and fast refresh cycles, it's refreshing to see phones that are designed to endure. The best phones of 2025 don't just offer flashy features, they deliver peace of mind, better value over time, and a lighter footprint on our planet. So if you're tired of feeling forced to upgrade every 2 years, maybe it's time to think differently. Durability is the new premium. And the best part? It's finally within reach. We'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with durable phones that you'd like to share? What's the longest you've gone without upgrading? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your opinions in the comments below, and hit the bell so you never miss a story about the future of technology.